Let's dive into the world of shrimp production, where precision and care turn ocean delicacies into a culinary delight. Have you ever wondered how shrimp make it from the sea to your plate? Let's find out. The journey of shrimp from ocean to table begins far offshore. Skilled fishermen navigate the deep blue waters, searching for the perfect shrimp grounds. Using advanced sonar technology and decades of experience, they identify the most promising areas for shrimping. This phase is critical. Finding the right location ensures a bountiful and sustainable harvest. The stakes are high because an unsuccessful trip can mean wasted time, fuel, and resources. Additionally, overfishing in the wrong areas can harm the delicate marine ecosystem. Careful navigation and responsible fishing practices are essential to maintaining the balance between human demand and environmental health. Once a suitable spot is found, the crew prepares to set their nets, knowing that the quality of their catch depends on their precision and expertise. Setting the nets is a meticulous process that requires both skill and timing. The nets used for shrimping are specially designed to capture shrimp while minimizing the bycatch of other marine species. These nets are carefully deployed and dragged through the water at specific depths and speeds. The timing of setting and retrieving the nets is crucial. Too long and the shrimp might escape or be damaged. Too short and the haul might be insufficient. This phase involves constant monitoring and adjustments to ensure the best possible yield. The stakes here are significant because a poorly set net can lead to a low catch rate, affecting the overall efficiency and profitability of the operation. The crew works tirelessly, often in challenging weather conditions, to set and retrieve the nets with precision, ensuring a successful harvest. Once the nets are brought back on board, the haul is immediately sorted. This step is essential to ensure that only the highest quality shrimp make it to the next stage. The shrimp are separated from other marine life, and any unwanted bycatch is carefully returned to the ocean. Sorting involves both automated systems and skilled workers who can quickly identify and separate the shrimp by size and quality. This step is critical because it directly affects the final product's consistency and quality. The stakes are high, as improper sorting can lead to damaged or lower quality shrimp, which can impact the market value and consumer satisfaction. The sorted shrimp are then placed in cold storage on the ship to preserve their freshness until they reach the shore. The next step is transporting the sorted shrimp to shore. This process involves using refrigerated containers or tanks to keep the shrimp at optimal temperatures, ensuring they remain fresh during the journey. Time is of the essence, as delays can lead to spoilage and loss of quality. Efficient logistics and coordination are crucial in this phase to ensure the shrimp reach the processing facility in the best possible condition. The stakes are high because any mishandling or delays can compromise the entire batch, leading to financial losses and dissatisfied customers. The journey from the ocean to the processing plant is a race against time, requiring precision and care to maintain the shrimp's quality. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the shrimp undergo an initial inspection. This step is crucial to ensure that only the highest quality shrimp proceed to the next stages. The inspection involves checking for size, color, and any signs of damage or spoilage. Quality control teams work diligently to ensure that each shrimp meets the required standards. This step is essential for maintaining the consistency and quality of the final product. The stakes are high, as any compromised shrimp can affect the overall quality and safety of the final product. The inspected shrimp are then ready for the cleaning and deheading process, ensuring they meet the highest standards before moving forward. Cleaning and deheading are vital steps in shrimp processing. The shrimp are thoroughly washed to remove any remaining impurities and debris. Advanced machinery and skilled workers ensure that the shrimp are deheaded with precision, removing the head while preserving the quality of the meat. This step is critical because any remaining impurities can affect the shrimp's taste and safety. The stakes are high, as improper cleaning and deheading can lead to contamination and spoilage. The shrimp are then ready for peeling and deveining, a meticulous process that ensures they are of the highest quality before being cooked and packaged. Peeling and deveining are meticulous processes that significantly enhance the shrimp's quality and presentation. Automated machines and skilled workers carefully remove the shrimp shells, ensuring the delicate meat remains intact. The deveining process involves removing the shrimp's digestive tract, which can contain sand and other impurities. This step is crucial for both aesthetics and taste, as deveined shrimp are more appealing and have a cleaner flavor. The stakes are high because any mistakes can damage the shrimp, reducing their market value and appeal. Precision and care are essential to ensure that the shrimp are perfectly peeled and deveined, ready for cooking and chilling. The next step is cooking and chilling the shrimp, which locks in their flavor and extends their shelf life. The shrimp are quickly boiled or steamed at precise temperatures to ensure they are thoroughly cooked without becoming overdone. Immediate chilling follows, which rapidly lowers the shrimp's temperature to prevent bacterial growth and preserve freshness. This step is critical because overcooking can make shrimp tough and undercooking poses health risks. The stakes are high, as improper cooking and chilling can compromise the entire batch, leading to significant financial losses and potential health hazards. The cooked and chilled shrimp are now ready for grading and quality control, ensuring they meet the highest standards before packaging. Grading and quality control are vital to ensure that only the best shrimp reach the consumer. The shrimp are graded based on size, color, and overall quality, with each grade meeting specific standards. Quality control teams conduct thorough inspections, checking for any defects or inconsistencies. This step is crucial because it maintains the product's integrity and ensures consumer satisfaction. The stakes are high, as any lapses in quality control can lead to product recalls, financial losses, and damage to the brand's reputation. Rigorous grading and quality control processes ensure that every shrimp meets the highest standards of excellence before moving to packaging and preservation. Proper packaging and preservation are essential to maintaining the shrimp's quality until it reaches the consumer. The shrimp are vacuum sealed or packed in airtight containers to prevent spoilage and extend shelf life. Labels are applied, providing important information such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. This packaging not only protects the shrimp during transport but also ensures they remain fresh and flavorful. The stakes are high, as any errors in packaging can lead to spoilage and compromise the product's integrity. The meticulous attention to detail in packaging ensures that the shrimp remain fresh and high quality from the factory to the consumer's table. The final step in the shrimp production process is shipping and distribution. The packaged shrimp are loaded onto refrigerated trucks designed to maintain the optimal temperature, ensuring the shrimp remain fresh during transport. Efficient logistics and coordination are key to ensuring that the shrimp arrive at retailers and restaurants in pristine condition. The stakes are high during this stage, as any delays or mishandling can lead to spoilage, financial losses, and unhappy customers. The distribution network involves a complex chain of refrigerated storage and transportation to various destinations, ensuring the shrimp reach consumers quickly and safely. Upon arrival, the shrimp are stored in refrigerated units until they are ready to be sold or cooked. This stage is crucial for maintaining the quality and safety of the product, ensuring that consumers receive the same high-quality shrimp that left the factory. So there you have it. A fascinating journey from the depths of the ocean to the delicious shrimp on your plate. This process artfully combines traditional methods with modern precision to deliver flavors cherished worldwide. If you want to explore more exciting Field 2 Fork stories, watch our next video.